When I'm not there, she can be 32. When I'm there, she's 43. That's why she hates me. That, and I don't acknowledge her theater. I don't. She thinks she's serving humanity and the sacred cause of art. Or in my view, the modern theater it's a collection of stereotypes and canned ideas. When that curtain goes up in a room with 3 walls and artificial lighting, these great artists, self-proclaimed high priests of the temple of art, they model how they think people should eat and drink and walk and dress and love. When out of these banal scenes and empty words, really, they attempt to extract a moral. A simple, quick, well-packaged moral with 100 household uses. When under 1,000 different disguises, they keep serving me the same old thing. The same old thing. It's the same old thing.